Hi everyone, I'm Puma Singh from Angampora steamer. Today we are going to show you how to counter punch, or we can say jab. Okay, block his jab with my both hands, and same time I'm coming with my elbow to his pressure point at his neck. Block. There's a pressure point here. I'm attacking there with my elbow. Second one also I'm countering the jab, but this time I'm twist myself. I'm turning myself and come with my elbow. I'm blocking here. That's why my hand is going like this, then come down. And there's a pressure point here. This same like first one, but this time I'm going for a pressure point at this area, not there. There's a pressure point here. Okay, this one also. Okay, this one also I'm blocking with my both hands and coming to this pressure point with my palm. Or sometimes you can go like this also.